anim say yesi na ho de no ato is forcing na a friend is inflation e wo 3 na inflation wo 3 petrol e 12 was 11 dollar no 11 was we e de na Cedi kofo 87.9 bibi nya right
is it dollar no
eno so kosro
11 point
e de na e ko 11 na nya 10 Anti ase.
It may fluctuate.
It may fluctuate here. Then I see the call for because Domahama would have seen Domahama. Ne ire ne ma sharaf ni bibia wo. O ti ase. Atofosi or that so the atof. I don't want to say anything. Ye changing no. Nipa ba ko a dey finance ministry. E dey defense kura kan wa finie. Eti den as a position go dey be ka ho. Eti den na no wo ya fe wa jai. You see dollar no friends Cedi no
you know defense we just you free so not
enti ye ka kire wo say ade no ye mfa personal interest embem ene sectors ni nyina engro because atofos hu say wo presidential ambition to say the ono ewo bie na wo ministry ho na nkasa no sika wo say ekọ na wonya bie na de di dwuma no enko I'm telling you, and now bisa masa then na cocoa sector, and then Equiafo so say omu nya sika omu 2,500 no crowd waka cross or the bemo no crowd. Etimi mba meboa e de benti na abanisa. E de benti na abanisa. Ana oko education sector Haruna Edusu e wo ho ya ope president ibia die ya teacher for e co strike. Sika was here the more the payment plan e de abeto ho a ye dey say teacher ni sika na bebo mu ana ye de ben ananya sa bebie ni ho a eye adwuma to support the economy but you say agrek ho ene edi sika ekohye mu a etimi eboa ma eniema timi egina yie ma ekom ene ade a edi nipa until say statistical service for abeka che say nipa over 1.7 million ade a che omu nim ba bi o mbefa enya aduane adi
pomedase